Hey everybody, this is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at XLP. This is the Consumer Staples Fund, and XLP is just another indication of that market rotation that we alerted you to last week when we took a look at IWM and saw that IWM was setting up for a potential breakout. We did end up getting that breakout, and it has since been quite extended over 4 deviations above that 50-day moving average. So the IWM trade is now a known trade, and now we're looking for other sectors that may potentially have some rotation happening. You know, I'm thinking like XRT, for example. This, I think, could definitely play catch up. And then, of course, tonight we're looking at XLP. So this is consumer staples, talking stocks like Walmart, Costco, Procter & Gamble, Altria, Coke, Pepsi, and the like. So definitely keep an eye on those stocks and this sector for continued rotation. And if you look at this chart, it's actually been setting up for a couple of months. We have this nice long consolidation base chopping around the key moving averages, finding support right around that 50-day moving average. Even when it did close under the 50-day moving average, they quickly brought it back up, and that's what you want to see. Anytime you see a stock under a key moving average, you want to see it brought up at least within a couple of days, if not a week or two. It didn't take them long to bring this back up above that 50-day moving average. We then had really nice tight price action and a break above a clear downward sloping trend line coming on higher than average volume. So this tells me that this breakout probably has legs because it came out of a nice consolidative base and did it today on great volume. So this is just one of many sectors that we'll be looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com for more evidence of a sector rotation out of big semiconductor names into some areas that maybe have been lagging and are due for a nice catch-up trade. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.